Hey lash lovers, in this video, we'll show you how to clean your lash extensions. Here is what you'll need: a special lash shampoo, a lash cleansing brush, or a clean makeup brush with gentle bristles, a soft microfiber towel or paper tissues, and a lash comb. Start by gently removing any makeup with an oil-free cleanser. Avoid touching your lashes during this step. Wet your eyelashes with lukewarm water and do the same for your cleansing brush. Ensure the brush is clean before using. Apply a small amount of lash shampoo to the clean, wet brush. Gently brush through your lashes, paying close attention to the base where oils and debris can accumulate. Start from the inner corner and move to the outer corner of your lash line. Use a downward motion to prevent catching extensions. For non-sensitive eyes, brush your lashes upwards. Be extra gentle to avoid tugging. This thorough cleaning helps maintain extensions' longevity. Rinse the brush and repeat the process for the other eye. Rinse your lashes thoroughly with lukewarm water to ensure all the shampoo is washed away. Gently pat your lashes dry in a downward and upward motion with a clean, lint-free cloth or tissue. Avoid rubbing or pulling. If your lashes are still wet, use a special mini fan or a regular fan set to blow cold air. Comb through your lashes using the brush provided by your lash technician. Start by combing downwards with closed eyes, then fluff them into place. Use the brush tip to position single lashes. Don't worry if some lashes pop off. It's normal as our lashes naturally shed over time. Remember to add this cleaning routine into your regular schedule. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Feel free to drop any questions in the comments below. All the steps and product links are available in the description. Bye!